You don't want it to be right. You don't want to just be hitting the top cymbal, unless that's the sound you're going for. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We're back at the Broken Down Kit. We're talking about drum sounds and we're focusing on the open hi-hat today. So last week we worked on the closed hi-hat. Today we're working on the open hi-hat. So to get an open hi-hat sound, the first thing you gotta do is you gotta open the hi-hat. So you control how far apart these two cymbals are with your left foot. You can roll back on the heel or you can, kind of bring it up. It's your choice and you're gonna find something that's comfortable for you. The main thing I want you to think about is how far you're opening it. You can adjust that depending on how aggressive you're trying to get, but ultimately you want both cymbals to be hitting each other. You don't want it to be right. You don't want to just be hitting the top cymbal, unless that's the sound you're going for. But usually you want to have them kind of sloshing together. So I just kind of roll back till I find that sweet spot. And you can hear how, as you open it more, it gets more aggressive. So try it out, find what works on your cymbals, and I'll see you guys next week.